PKP Productions, that's your girl Bree with EnviousMe.com, and I'm standing here next to Retard Clicks on Dynamite. Now, D-Mike, tell the people what you got going on these days.
Man, the Retarded Clique, you know what I'm saying, out here grinding, you know what I'm saying, really making up our mixtape and shit, you know what I'm saying, all my niggas over there and shit, you know what I'm saying, we be performing at this house sometime, you know what I'm saying, you feel me, we be performing at this house sometime, but shit.
Birthday girl.
Birthday girl.
Yeah, that's my cousin. Anyways, give the people contact information, Twitter, Facebook, MySpace, whatever.
Oh, it's the same as everybody else shit. RetardedClick.com. We got our own network, man. You know what I'm saying? Fuck that MySpace page, but we got our own network. Just go to RetardedClick.com. You see everybody on there. Anything about the Retarded Click me, all my niggas, you know what I'm saying? Just get on there. You gonna see us, man.
He said RetardedClick.com. You heard that? So that's PKPProductions.com. That's EnviousMe.com. Then that's, it's a .com connection around here. You can't mess with us. Anyways, before we leave and wrap this up, is there anything that you want the people to know about yourself? Or Retarded Click as a whole, haters, motivators, whatever, anything.
You know what I'm saying? It ain't too much. Everybody got haters, you know what I'm saying? But shit, man, my niggas, we us, my nigga, retarded. Any hater got anything to say about us, come get retarded with us, you know what I'm saying?
Nazi,